In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 7pace Time Tracker for Monday.com. To get started, we'll first need to install the 7pace or AppFire integration. Head over to the Monday.com apps marketplace and look for 7pace Time Tracker or AppFire. Once you find it, simply add it to your account or the specific board where you want to track time. This step is crucial as it enables the linking capabilities you'll need later on. After installation, the next step is to connect your 7pace account or instance. You'll do this through the integration settings, where you'll authenticate using your 7pace credentials. Alternatively, you can link directly to your specific 7pace project instance. This connection is important as it allows Monday.com to pull in the time and work items you've been tracking. Now it's time to select which work items or boards you want to sync. This involves choosing the appropriate 7pace work items or projects that correspond with your Monday.com boards or items. Proper mapping here ensures that everything aligns correctly, so take your time to check this. With your work item synced, you'll now map the time and logging fields. This involves aligning fields like work log, duration, date, user, and comments between 7pace and your Monday.com columns. Accurate mapping guarantees that when time is tracked, it appears correctly in your Monday.com setup. Next, enable the time tracking controls within Monday.com. Once everything is connected, you should see options like Start Timer or other time entry options on specific items in Monday.com. You might also use embedded views, enabling you to track time directly from your Monday.com tasks. To get the most out of your tracked data, explore the use of reports and dashboards. 7pace offers reporting views that you can embed within Monday.com as widgets or dashboards. These tools provide insights like total time, breakdowns, and trends, which are valuable for analyzing your time usage and overall productivity. For those who need custom reports, you can take advantage of 7pace's reporting API. The API enables you to pull detailed work logs, budgets, and work item structures. This feature is especially useful if you're integrating with Excel, BI tools, or creating custom dashboards. You'll find this particularly handy when you want more advanced reporting and analysis capabilities beyond the basic offerings. Finally, let's walk through an example of tracking time on a Monday.com item. Open the item or task in Monday.com where the 7pace time widget or button will be visible. Say Start Timer. Click it to begin tracking your work. Once you've completed your task, stop the timer. This entry will be sent to 7pace and linked to that item, assuming everything is mapped correctly. The total time spent will then appear in your mapped time spent column in Monday.com or on the 7pace dashboard. You can review all log time by item, user, or date, allowing you to manage your projects efficiently.